Greetings. This video is about the OTC tool 307582 and a brief description on how to properly use the tool on the passenger side for the Ford 6F50 transmission. If you have the four-wheel drive vehicle, you may want to refer to the link below for information that may be helpful, since the configuration is different from the front-wheel drive models concerning the all-wheel drive unit with the 6F50 transaxle. There's also a link below providing an animation of what I will be discussing in this video that was found off the Ford website. This video is not meant to be a complete how-to video on seal installation or what particular parts are needed to be disassembled. However, I would like to mention that I have viewed some videos and posts where people are unnecessarily removing the strut from the knuckle. This is not necessary. If the lower ball joint is separated and tie rod is disconnected as well as the brake assembly, it is possible to swing the knuckle still attached to the strut towards the rear of the car. There are some discrepancies in the Ford manual concerning which side of the tool to use. In the Ford manual, they show the tool only being used one way. For the driver's side, it is possible to use a pipe to reinstall the seal, but on the passenger side, the depth and the proper seating is more critical, and this is why on the passenger side this tool should be used. This tool can be flipped around. The larger outside is for the driver's side and the smaller diameter outside is for the passenger side. Without the tool, it is likely that either the seal will be in at an angle or the seal is not in or out far enough. Centered on the seal outside diameter edge is an indent, and this is where the seal should rest when installed. On the transaxle housing, there is a lip where the indent from the rubber seal sits. Since there's hardly any room in that area, you're probably going to have to use a pipe over the handle. It's usually good practice to add some grease to the garter spring before installation as well as the seal itself. It's recommended to use the plastic guard when putting the CV shaft back into its bore. Most kits do include these, but things change. SKF does make seals for most car makers, and sometimes they're just rebranded. If you decide to go with SKF, here's the part number. Okay, well, hope that helps you out, and happy wrenching. Thanks for watching.